Teacher, I have a question.
What is it?
I was reading my math book yesterday, and one moment they used the term quadratic functions, and another moment they used the term quadratic equations. Is there any difference?
Are you asking me the difference between a function and an equation?
Yes.
Well, an equation simply means two mathematical expressions are equal. For example, y squared equals x. But a function is an equation that has only one answer for y for every x.
And so a quadratic equation would be?
Like the name suggests, they are equations with a quadratic term.
Okay, so these are some examples of quadratic equations, right?
That's right.
Okay, why do we need to learn about quadratic equations?
Well, do you still remember the competition you had with your friend?
You mean the one with the two strings?
Yes, forming a rectangle with two strings. And the function for its area is f of x equals to 0.5x minus x squared.
Yes, that's because the length of each string is 0.5 meters. So, how is this linked to the quadratic equations?
Well, if I ask you to form a rectangle with an area of 1 meter square using the given two strings,
then we will obtain a quadratic equation, which is 0.5x minus x squared equals 1.
That's right. The roots for this equation will tell us how to fold the strings to get an area of 1 meter square.
So, what are roots?
The formal definition of roots are the x values that satisfy the quadratic equation. Informally, they are just the points of intersections.
Intersections with what?
Well, in our example, 0.5x minus x squared equals 1 means intersections of function f of x with the horizontal line of y equals 1. Let's quickly draw these two lines in the graph.
Well, the two lines do not intersect.
Yes, do you know what this means?
This means that no values of x can ever make y equals 1.
That's right. In this case, we say there are no real roots between the two graphs.
Well, actually, this completely makes sense. If we use the formula x equals to minus b over 2a, we know that the maximum point is 0.25, 0.0625. So, the highest peak of the curve can never be 1.
Correct. Alright, what if we now want the area to be 0.01 meters square? Do we have roots?
There should be, because 0.01 is less than the maximum value of 0.0625 that we just calculated.
Correct. As we can see, there are two intersections between the function f of x equals to 0.5x minus x squared and the horizontal line y equals 0.01. In other words, there are two real roots.
Yay! I was right!
Well done! Now, what if we want the area to be 0.0625 meters square?
Then, the horizontal line will be touching the function line at one point.
Yes, in this case, we say that there are two equal roots of the same value.
I see now. I understand now. So, we have three possibilities. No roots, two equal roots, two roots.
That's right.
So, what do these have to do with the rectangle question?
Well, the roots, or the points of intersections, will tell you what the length and width have to be. to give you the area of rectangle that you want.
Oh, that is so cool! So besides drawing graphs, are there other ways of finding the roots? A quicker way, perhaps?
There is. You now want to find intersections between function ax squared plus bx plus c and the horizontal line y equals 0, which is the x-axis itself. This will give you the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. By the completing the square method, we can see that the square of x plus b over 2a equals to b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Then, taking square root of both sides of the equation, we can get this. So, after simplification, we can derive the general formula.
Want to learn more? We have additional learning resources to offer for Cambridge IGCSE and ASA level subjects. Register now for free.